Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of losing important data. Picture this. You're working on a crucial project and suddenly, proof, the file disappears into the digital abyss. It's frustrating, stressful, and downright inconvenient. But fear not, because I've got a solution for you. In situations like these, the solution lies in utilizing a reliable backup system. By regularly backing up your files to an external hard drive or cloud storage, you can ensure that even if the unthinkable happens, your data remains safe and sound. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to precious documents, photos, or any other important files. So, make it a habit to back up your data consistently. Your future self will thank you for it. Now, you might be wondering, but how often should I back up my files? Well, the solution is simple. Establish a regular backup schedule. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, having a set routine will help you stay organized and ensure that no important data slips through the cracks. So, take a moment to set up a backup plan that works best for you. And rest easy knowing that your files are safeguarded against unexpected mishaps. To wrap it all up, remember that when it comes to data loss, prevention is key. By implementing a reliable backup system and staying consistent with your backups, you can avoid the headache of losing important files. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy backing up.